Hi and welcome to my camera settings course. I'm Rosie and you may well have come through to this course after taking my free Photography for Beginners course, so if that's you, a big welcome. If you don't know me already, I'm an award-winning professional photographer based in Devon in England. I'm also mum to 3-year-old triplets and their 2-year-old brother. This course is for everybody who bought themselves a special fancy camera expecting it to be able to help you take beautiful photos. But instead, the reality has been somewhat overwhelming and confusing. And most of the time, the camera just stays on auto mode, with the results being a bit hit or miss. The problem with auto mode is that your camera is making all your decisions for you. It's relying on its inbuilt light meter to guess how you want the photo to look, how bright or dark you'd like it, and what element of the photo that you'd like to be in focus. Sometimes the camera may get it right, but more often than not, it's going to leave you frustrated and missing out on some really special moments. What you need is the knowledge to master your camera. You need to take charge and be the boss. I'm going to teach you how to take control and tell your camera what to do. Because when you understand what to do with your camera settings, you'll end up with truly spectacular photos, whatever the circumstance. And they won't just be a fluke. You'll know how to take a beautiful photo in any situation, whatever the light is like. This course is really special because unlike YouTube where you can scroll through hundreds of thousands of tutorials, I'm going to actually walk you through from start to finish exactly what the settings mean and how you need to understand them in the right path. I've got 10 years of experience photographing weddings, portraits and of course my own family. And I've cut out all the difficult technical bits of information that don't really make a difference, and we're just going to focus on the essential elements to your camera settings, the things that really are important. I'm not going to overwhelm you with unnecessary information. Instead, what this course offers is a systematic step-by-step path through all the key settings that will make the biggest difference to your photos. We'll learn the most important aspects of photography, and I'll be teaching you in a way that is simple and straightforward to understand in bite-sized chunks. Today we're going to begin the course by looking at how your choice of lenses affects your images, the kit that I personally use for photography. I'll also be setting your first challenge for this course. So in preparation of that, before we head on to our first session, let's get you to come over and join the Facebook group especially for this course. You'll find the link in your welcome email. I'll be available in the group to answer questions, and if you have any problems, give me a shout. Right, I'll see you in a minute.